In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Canva. Whether you're designing an insightful presentation, a captivating marketing material, or an interactive document, adding a link can make your project both engaging and functional. So let's dive in and you'll see just how simple and effective this process can become. To start, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design open and ready. Once your project is loaded, look for the text element to which you're thinking of attaching a link. This could be a word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. Click on this text to highlight it, and you'll notice the text editing toolbar pops up above. Once your text is selected, take a moment to look at the menu above your canvas area. On the far right side of this toolbar, you'll see a small icon represented by 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional editing options. From here, look for the icon labeled link. It's often depicted with a chain link symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon to start the linking process. After clicking on the link icon, a small dialog box will appear asking you to enter the link destination. You can paste a web address you've copied from a browser, link to another page in your design if you've created a multi-page document, or even connect to a file or email. For our example, let's imagine linking to another website. Enter the complete URL in the provided field to ensure it directs correctly when clicked. When your link is set, look to the lower part of the dialog box and find the Done button. By clicking Done, you save your link and finalize the process. Double check your entry for any typos because a small mistake in the URL might send someone to the wrong page. At this point, you're ready to test your link. You can do this by downloading your design or using Canva's presentation mode. Simply clicking on your text within these modes should direct you to the right destination, ensuring everything is working perfectly. And there you have it. That's how you enhance your Canva project with clickable links, adding layers of interactivity and professionalism to your designs. Happy designing.